Hey guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. I hope you're staying on your journey and it's going well. Take one day at a time. Every day is a new day, a new start, a new beginning. If you veer, just get right back on track. And you can do that with my recipes and tips, of course. Today, I'm going to teach you a zero smart point. You heard it. Zero smart point delicious raspberry banana custard muffins. Okay, I'm going to tell you what you need and then we'll get started. 5 eggs. I'm using extra large or large, doesn't matter. 3 ripe bananas. And you're going to need, of course, your muffin tray and spray it really well. All right. I'm using frozen raspberries, 1 cup's worth, but you can use whatever fruit you want. And it doesn't have to be frozen. So you could use cherries, you could use peaches, you could use blueberries, apples. Your favorite fruit is fine. I put in some fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, some cinnamon or cinnamon sugar you can use. You can make your own equal parts. And I had initially bought this at the low-carb grocery store. And some vanilla, a tablespoon or so. And some raspberry sugar-free syrup. That's optional. You don't have to use it if you don't have it. It won't make a huge difference. I just use it for some extra flavor. So I use my handy-dandy potato masher to mash my 3 bananas, and I've whisked up my 5 eggs, okay? So we're just going to add that to the mixture. I like things that are easy and fast and, of course, delicious, low fat. Just going to move that out of the way and whisk that together. And all you're going to do is add your other ingredients. So I have my lemon juice, and I'm going to bring over my cinnamon sugar, or cinnamon is fine, some vanilla, my raspberry syrup, okay, whisk that all together. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, okay? And that's not the right time, by the way. This is actually early morning I'm making this. And I think you're going to really enjoy it because you can have it any time of day. You can have it for breakfast. You can have it for a snack, a dessert, after a workout. There are no rules. So mix in your raspberries or whatever fruit you want. And if you want a little bit more, you can add a little bit more fruit. And all you're going to do is now put it in your muffin tray. The other thing you can do if you want, you could add some hemp hearts. You could add some almonds, other seeds. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you that I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of Swerve icing sugar. And that's optional. So we're just going to portion this out in our muffin trays. Okay. Simple, fast, easy, and they'll pop out and you can keep them in your fridge. If you want, you can freeze them. I would put them on a cookie sheet and then just let them get frozen first, okay? And then you can put them in a sealed container. I find that helps. So I've almost portioned this all out. And you're going to get nice sized muffins. And then I'm going to stick them in the oven for about 30 minutes or so. Actually, about 15-20 minutes. You'll check and see how long. Everybody's oven is different, okay? And I'm just going to wipe that off and put this in my oven. And I will be back to show you what they look like afterwards. Super easy and delicious, okay? I'll be back. Guys, I'm back, me in person now. I just wanted to say that I just took them out of the oven, the delicious raspberry banana custard muffins. I just let them sit for a bit, and I'm just going to show you. Here they are. Okay, I've taken some out, and I put them on a plate. What you're going to do is let them cool for a little bit. Take a little butter knife, go around so they pop out. Like so, okay? Put them on your plate. And you're going to take some Swerve icing sugar. If you want, it's optional. And just sprinkle some on, okay? So I use this little sifter, and you can just sprinkle some on like that, okay? Super easy and delicious, 0 smart points. You can have them for breakfast, for a snack, after a workout, and enjoy. Keep them in your fridge, or you can pop them in the freezer, and have them whenever you want, okay? In between meals would be great too, because they're 0 smart points, delicious and healthy. Okay, so continue to subscribe, tell your Weight Watcher peeps, anybody on a health journey about my channel, my website, www.risaweiner.com, Risa's Piece 8 Instagram, and Facebook, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Okay, so I love you guys, and enjoy. Tell me what you think, okay? And that's it. Bye for now.